First part of this, you are going to go to Google Classroom. And when you get to Google Classroom, if you go to Classwork and scroll down, you are going to see in Part 2, video and film montage. So the first part is the A, video montage practice. When you click there, all of the directions on what you have to do are here. But what I want you to do first is go to this Pexels website. So when you click the Pexels website, it is going to bring you to something that looks like this. And so this is from a place called Campus Productions, and these are all videos. We talked about this last time in class. I'm going to use this one towards the bottom here of this guy making the pizza, and I'm going to click on that. So the first portion of this is if you move your mouse over any of the images that you see, you're going to get a little preview of what's going on. If you like it, you're going to hit download. Remember, the point of this project is to take a number of videos from one of these collections and then put them together as a montage. Remember, you're trying to condense time. So in this one, the guy is creating a pizza from scratch, putting it in the oven, taking it out, serving it to people at the end. They are usually in order, so you just have to go in and begin to download the ones you need. Unfortunately, you can't download all at the same time, but all you have to do is go over it, select the download button, and download the ones that you want. You also notice that some are created for like Instagram style, this sort of thing, which is vertical. I would stick with the horizontal ones, obviously, because there are more of them, but also they will all match up and you won't have to do anything odd. Okay, so I'm going to go in now and begin downloading a few of these. Once I have about 10 or so downloaded, I'm going to begin the next video of how to then put them together in Adobe Premiere Pro.